Hello everyone. Today I'm diving into the incredible work happening at Dar Alshefa Hospital in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. As the head of biomedical engineering, I've spent the last 10 months leading a groundbreaking transformation in medical technology and sustainability. One of my key missions has been ensuring the safety and efficiency of over 500 medical devices. From CT scanners and ventilators to dialysis units, I have implemented a comprehensive maintenance program to keep everything running smoothly. This means better patient care, fewer disruptions, and an overall improvement in hospital operations. But it's not just about maintenance. I've also been at the forefront of optimizing our PACS and digital imaging systems, making diagnostic imaging faster and more accurate. And let's not forget managing our oxygen supply, vital for critical patients. Sustainability is another pillar of my work. By procuring cost-effective, high-quality medical equipment and creating a future-ready investment plan, we're not only cutting costs, but also ensuring we're prepared for the latest advancements in medical technology. I've also been promoting the use of AI-driven smart medical equipment to streamline operations and enhance patient outcomes. Collaboration is key. I've partnered with global leaders like Siemens, GE Healthcare, and Fresenius to bring international best practices to Dar Alshefa. We've organized training programs and workshops to keep our staff up to date with the latest in medical technology. Patient safety is my top priority. By minimizing equipment downtime and ensuring compliance with regulations, we're setting a new standard for healthcare excellence in Saudi Arabia. Looking ahead, my focus is on integrating AI and smart technologies, expanding sustainable healthcare solutions, and strengthening Saudi Arabia's position as a healthcare leader. In just 10 months, we've made significant strides, but this is only the beginning. Together, we're shaping the future of healthcare in Saudi Arabia, ensuring a safer, more advanced medical landscape for all. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on how we're revolutionizing healthcare at Dar Alshefa Hospital.